Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we'll explore a game-changing strategy for maintenance and operations teams, drive time optimization. In this video, we'll delve into the world of smart planning software and how it leverages GPS technology to streamline your service routes. We'll also touch on real-time oversight and how it can enhance your decision-making process. But more importantly, you'll learn how these tools can save you a significant amount of money. Now, let's dive in. When your facility maintenance team hits the road to perform inspections, repairs, and other maintenance tasks, costs start to add up. Think about it. Your technicians need a service vehicle, portable equipment, and ways to access and record maintenance data. Then there's the fuel and time required for travel. It all adds up. Sure, there are some factors you can't control, like traffic jams and road construction, but there are tools out there that can help you optimize drive time for your service routes. Let's talk about smart planning software. In today's world, we have access to incredible GPS technology that can automate drive time optimization. This software takes into account all the relevant information, like routes, distances, and expected service call lengths, to produce a route that makes the most sense for your technicians. But it doesn't stop there. As the day progresses, calls and priorities may need to be reshuffled. For example, if a technician encounters a critical maintenance issue during a routine check, that call may need to be extended and other calls reassigned to different technicians. Now, you might be thinking, sure, optimizing drive time sounds good, but will it really save me money? The answer is a resounding yes. According to a study conducted by the research centers of several universities, unplanned delays alone eat up 2.62% of drive time. For a driver earning $30 an hour, that's an additional cost of $1,560 per year. But the savings don't stop there. When you factor in the saved planning cost, the ability to respond in real time to maintenance changes, and other benefits, you end up with a significant cost savings that goes straight to your bottom line. And let's not forget about real-time oversight. By incorporating driver route optimization, a maintenance manager can have real-time access to where each maintenance technician is located at any given time. This means if a strategic or emergency decision needs to be made, it's easy to determine which technician is the closest and most available to respond. So, the next time your team hits the road, remember, smart planning software can help you optimize drive times, save money, and maintain real-time oversight of your technicians. Now that's a win-win-win. Thank you for watching this video. We've discussed the importance of drive time optimization, the benefits of smart planning software, and how real-time oversight can enhance your decision-making process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. For more information about our tools and resources, please visit upkeep.com. We look forward to helping you and your team be more successful.